Hey guys, B. Dean Barry, Keystone Prime, doing a short for you here today. And what are we doing? We're replacing this freaking finally. Now, those of you who are more familiar with cars than maybe some others might know what this is. This is a main engine control computer. This is for truck one, the 2005 Jeep Grand Cherokee. And this one, smells horrible. It smells like melted plastic and shorted circuits. And that's because it is. Even those of us who are more experienced at fixing cars sometimes forget, which I certainly did. If you have to unplug your ECM for any reason, disconnect your battery first. This let out the magic smoke about a week ago. This package right here is from Car Computer Exchange, not a sponsor, but you could be, get at me. And we are gonna just kind of open it up and take a look. Anybody who has to replace one of these ECMs, if you have an older car, mostly from the 90s and the early 2000s, if you have an older car, you're probably okay. But if you have a 2005 or newer vehicle, you're going to need to have the computer reprogrammed with your VIN number before you can just jack it in the car. So that's why I don't have a junkyard part. So here's the new computer. Looks identical to the old computer. And we're going to take you out right now, plug it in, and I'm going to show you. It's not that hard, but it's complicated, if that makes any sense. So necessarily, this job isn't even that difficult. Two 8mm long shank bolts sitting up here. The only tool you need to do the install is an 8mm socket. So we're just going to go ahead. Now the battery is disconnected this time. See, and this is the problem. On older vehicles, these fall apart. So we're going to need to get out some pliers. We're going to unretract some of these pins so that they'll actually make contact. I've got to remove this little red pin catch and flip it over. Let's go ahead and encapsulate all of the pins. These things are a bear. They really are. I hate when connectors get old because you have to put up with garbage like this. What a failure. Come on loose. You can come out without shredding. Believe it'll go in this way. Believe that's how you have to put that in. It's always something messed up. Which way does it want to go in is the question. One way or the other, it's always going to be wrong. Junk. And it's the unfortunate nature of these Chrysler vehicles that they have these god-awful pin connectors. You got to get all of them lined up, and then it breaks the tab. Yeah, I see. Breaks the tab. Let's just get that out of the way. Constant bugs crawling on me. It is summer in Pennsylvania, and summer in Pennsylvania means bug misery. I'm about to start doing away with fucking safety features because of poorly designed Mercedes-Benz, Daimler Chrysler garbage. I hate Mopar so much, and yet it's the only thing I ever seem to buy. Will that do it? Okay. It's finally seating. The orange connector was fine. That's seated. Now, will the black one seat in? Okay. Battery's completely disconnected. Slide that little plastic pin in the hole. Slide it back in that hole. Let's put the first bolt in. Now this next one had a ground wire. Let's just make sure everything goes back together the way it came apart. That's all. Moment of truth. Let's see if we let any more magic smoke out. I really hope not. I don't see any magic smoke. Time to turn the key and see if it starts. New computer, everything's done. Let's button it up.